our first reactions of Sonic. I was going to say Sonic Frontiers. No, it's not. It's Sonic Superstars. This is a brand new Sonic game. I got it for my birthday, and I've been sort of looking forward to playing it, and I've not played it until now. Now I have seen this intro before, I have to say. Not only because the intro was on before I was putting the details on, but a couple weeks ago, I was very lucky to see the world premiere of this intro and the music at the Sonic Symphony concert, which was amazing. So I have seen this intro. So I've seen this, but I haven't played it or anything. So there we go. So
have you seen no gameplay?
Yeah, and I've seen bits of gameplay, because it's hard to avoid your online and stuff. But I haven't played it, and so this is a 2D game. So this is obviously my favourite 2D.
I'm more like a 3D guy.
You are more like a 3D guy. However, there's a couple of things I need to say. So first of all, this is my take, right? And I'm calling an emergency meeting right now. Sort of beep emergency meeting because Classic Sonic, most of Classic Sonic up to now, I would say, is an imposter. It's been sus. Classic Sonic, 2D Sonic. Yeah.
Why?
Why? Because Sonic controls in a very specific way. I've been playing these games for 30 years, right? Sonic's he's been my friend for that long, right? And so when I play the OG games, so Sonic 1, Sonic 2, Sonic 3 and Knuckles, he feels a certain way that sounds weird. When you control him, he jumps in a certain way, he runs in a certain way. And the only game to capture that so far, apart from those, has been Sonic Mania, which is why for me, Sonic Mania is the GOAT, is the best Sonic game of all time.
Whoa. Wait.
Yeah.
I thought your favourite Sonic Adventure 2.
The Sonic Adventure 2 is my favourite 3D game, but my favourite Sonic game is Sonic Mania, right? So, when it comes to classic Sonic, apart from that, so Sonic Generations and Sonic Forces, it doesn't feel the same. And Sonic 4, yucky face. Sonic 4, no.
Why not Sonic 4?
Because he doesn't control like Sonic does at all. Imagine, right, you're looking forward to playing Super Mario Wonder. It's probably going to be on your Christmas list, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
So we'll see what Father Christmas brings you. But imagine if you load up, you're getting excited, you're looking forward to it, you load up Super Mario Wonder, you pick Mario as your character, because you like Mario, and when you get the controller and he jumps, he controls like Sackboy does. So he has that weird floaty jump thing going on. Yeah. He's quite heavy.
I get it.
So that's why. So for me, yes. So I will know very, very quickly in the first few minutes, even if it feels like. So if Sonic feels like the old game, Sonic Superstars, then I will. Then it'll be up there for me. I don't know where. I don't know where it'll be. It might. I don't know if it'll be better than Mania or if it'd be just. Or if it's better than, say, Sonic 1 or 2. The other thing I wanted to mention was, you probably don't remember this, but do you remember what the first game that you ever played was?
Well...
Your first video game of all time.
Is it a Pixel Sonic game?
It is a Pixel Sonic game, yeah.
Is it the earliest one?
No.
Sonic 2?
It was Sonic 2. So what happened is, I'd had a hard day at work, I'd come back, and when I went cheering, I play Sonic 2 mostly because, even though it's not my favourite, it's up there, and I know it so well, it helps me relax and calm down. And you knew I'd had a bad day at work, because I was a bit grumpy. So I was upstairs in my room, and he came up and saw me, and he goes, "What's the matter, Uncle Momo? Why, are you feeling sad?" And I said, I am a bit, but I play this, it makes me feel better. And he goes, "Oh, what's this?" I said, "This is called a video game." He goes, "Ooh, okay, can I sit and watch?" So he watched for a bit, and he goes, "Can I have a go?" I was like, "Okay." So I give you a controller, and I was Sonic and you were Tails.
Wait a minute, wait.
Yeah.
Was this the time where I thought I thought the wind was a ghost?
We thought the wind was a ghost. I don't know. Did you think
I went in your room once and I thought the wind was a ghost.
It could have been that. I don't remember that.
But I have been playing games almost my whole life.
You have, yeah. It's all my fault. Yeah, see, I'm the bad influence. I should have really wear my bad influence t-shirt, but I'm wearing a a Sonic one that's a Halloweeny Sonic one today because it's near Halloween. And another thing, we'll announce this at the end of the stream as well because nobody's watching at the moment. But we've got another live stream coming up, haven't we?
I will say, and we might say what maybe other live streams might be coming up.
Yeah.
Like.
Well, there's a live stream coming up next week, isn't there? So
yeah. Everyone who wants to go watch it in November. Are we going to still do one in November? Because
maybe,
we did 2 this month.
Maybe. I don't know.
That's
up to your mum and dad.
Yeah. So, yeah, so...
I'm just checking if we're live, because this looks like we're not live at all, you know. Oh, we are live. It's just no one watching. Okay. I just can't find the link, because we're... Yeah. So, I'm just going to share... We are now live, apparently.
Why did you not do it earlier?
I don't know, so, but
We've just been talking to no one this whole time.
We've been talking to no one anyway. We've been live the whole time. We've just got no viewers. That's, you know, we're not PewDiePie, I'm afraid, mate. That's,
no, but it's okay.
So, anyways, we can play anyway and have fun.
Yeah.
So, without no one showing us, but without further ado, shall we get started?
Yeah.
Do you want to connect your controller? So, rookie's mistake. You've not done that yet, but if you want to connect up.
Yeah,
There you go. Cool, have you done that?
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Right, so here we go. Your mic's on, I think. You're on mute.
Oh.
I think. But maybe the microphone's picking us up. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Yes.
We both never played it.
No.
I actually said to him, this is really funny. If you play it, we are not doing the stream.
He did say that.
Because it wouldn't be fair.
He did.
He would know.
Yep.
Lots of things that would happen, and I would know nothing. So.
Yeah, I genuinely don't know. You know, even the menu screen or whatever, how to start the game. But I guess we press any button, so we'll do that. Yeah. All right, start game. Oh, the camera's in the way. Hang on.
Should we just move it quickly?
Yeah, hang on. If I can.
Let's just
can
move
I move
it in the Wait, should we
move the
move
camera?
only?
Yeah, we can move the camera.
Should we move it in the top corner?
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. He says, where, can I move it? Can I move it? I'm just showing different options. This isn't good.
Circle.
No, it's not circle. The circle is that. See, so I'm controlling the game. That's the thing. How do I move the camera? No. Rookie mistake. See, no one's watching this anyway. No, you can't control it. Unfortunately, mate, I'm controlling the broadcast. So you're going to pause it for a sec so we can move the camera. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Right, so that was options. So not bothered about options.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, shall we start a game?
Yeah, I guess
Let's do this. So,
yeah.
Save game. Oh, there we go. All these skins.
What?
Yeah, so because I pre-ordered the game, I got those skins for free. So there we go. So we can be those characters as well. So right. Oh, and those.
Ooh, cool.
Cool. Okay. Oh, and I've got those as well. All these pre-order bonuses. How cool. Awesome.
Yeah. I kind of.
Or battle mode. We'll try that afterwards. Yeah.
Me and him I've kind of seen a bit of their spoilers because.
Oh, see, you were like, have you seen any gameplay footage? And
that's not what I mean. Like we've seen the digital art book.
We have seen digital art book. We did, but then it got too spoilery, so I backed out. And in fact, what I've done now, I've deleted it. So yeah, you didn't know that, but I've actually deleted it. So
put it back once we've done the stream.
Alright, I have to download it because it takes a lot of room up. So yeah, I've actually got the there you go. We are online because I've got the save.
Oh, anyone, if you want to get my hoodie, sorry you can't get it. It's limited edition.
Oh yeah, you went to see the Masked Singer, which is awesome.
At Butland's.
At Butland's.
It's Inkscape Netitude. Are we watching ourselves right now?
No.
Oh.
So this is what else. Okay, so you ready? Story mode.
Sure.
Cool. So whoever's watching, speak up, and you'll actually read out what you say as well. Should be interesting. Oh, right. So, waiting for players. All right, you triangle, mate. I think that's you. So you're Eggman. Have you got to be Eggman, or can you be someone else? Can you go left or right, mate? No.
No.
Well, that's me doing that. Oh, okay. Maybe I have to pick mine first, so I'll pick Sonic. Oh, I can be Sonic or Rabbit. Oh, the Rabbit, that's so cool. So, I've got the encyclopedia. That's what Sonic's character was before he was a hedgehog.
Okay.
He was the Rabbit, but I won't pick a Lego Sonic or normal Sonic. Normal Sonic for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Does it allow you? Have you started or anything, mate? Or press any buttons? Or there we go. So you're gonna be.
How do you move?
Well, D-pad or stick. So you're gonna be Tails, Amy, or Sonic. I guess he can still be Sonic as well. I think. No. It's different Eggmans, so we can have the Lego Eggman or normal Eggman. So which one? We got Lego Eggman and normal Tails. No, you can know.
I'm trying to find.
Nice. Lego Amy. Okay.
I'll be normal Tails.
Normal Tails. Okay. So here we go. Oh.
It's a bit very thick.
Yeah, it's a flicky. Oh, with Fang. Fang is from Sonic the Fighters, by the way, so it's an old lore. Robotics drew the same as me. That's how I thought.
Yeah, that's how. Wait.
And Trip's new. So
Yeah,
Trip's a new character.
Trip's her.
Yeah.
She has a little axe.
Yeah, we spoiled.
Yeah.
We spoiled from the art book, so we know what Trip looks like.
So...
Well, here we go. I think this is it. Yeah, it's like the start of Sonic 3.
It's me new.
Yeah. Oh, Fang.
It's a thick guy, and Fang.
Yeah.
I guess he's gonna be the first boss.
Might well be.
Oh, I'm gonna be flying the tornado.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
Or will I be there?
So you don't even know the controls. This would be interesting. British Island. Oh, right. Okay. So Green Hill.
Yeah. It's not.
Oh, right. Okay.
Okay. I think I might get tired.
Well, you get tired if you fly too much. Oh, there you go. Oh, Tails is... alright, Tails is... Alright, so if I got X... Oh, that's handy. That's better than Sonic 2, because if you go too far ahead, you get to join them. So, I don't know what this is. Oh, Kate Emerald. Oh, right, okay. Alright, okay. Press and hold X. Alright, okay. I've been playing Spider-Man, so this is quite handy. Oh, now it's your turn. Right, X is to swing, mate. Oh, you got it!
I got it in my thing. Yeah.
Wow, that was easy. Your first Chaos Emerald.
Yeet!
There you go. 1 down, 6 to go.
Yeah, it's 6.
Oh, we get a new power. Ooh, what's that? Avatar. Okay. Do we turn sort of all blue and yeah. That's it. And take over helicopters and stuff. Alright, so I'm a clone. Oh, cool. Okay. Emerald power with the right stick. Alright, okay. I can't see my... Oh, can I move Sonic? I can. So... Alright, pick that. And square. Oh, that's cool.
We get a trophy!
Yeah. So when you do it, you'll probably get a trophy. So that's quite... Okay, that's quite straightforward. Use a stick, press square. Okay, cool. So we've only got an emerald. We've only been playing for 26 seconds.
Wait,
no,
we haven't. We've been playing for a few minutes.
Whoa, okay. I have to say, my rant about physics, it's looking good so far, I have to say. This is controlling very much like old school Sonic, and I am liking it. Oh, What's that? Oh,
I'm going faster
so,
than you.
yeah. What's that? Tails doesn't care. He's going ahead. Right. Ah!
Ow!
See that's what happens when you rush. You can rush in Sonic, but sometimes it's not good. Oh, you're down there. You're just trying to time attack this and get to the end, aren't you? Oh.
Yeah. Well, I want to see what's at the end.
True, you like boss rushes and stuff. Oh, there you go. I got him. I got him, Tails.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, what is that? Oh. Did we get sucked into that? We did this time. Oh, right. Okay, we have to get met up. Oh, this is like Sonic 1. It hasn't got the same music though.
Have they got a better music?
The music's not bad. We have to get that medal, so let's get a medal. Oh. Oh wow, okay, it's another one. This is slightly better than Sonic 1 because it's not moving as fast, so therefore it's easy to control. Mind you, I had a lot of practice. Oh, well done. So, let's see if we get the other one.
No, I have not played this game in... I haven't played that many Pixel Sonic games.
No, so you much prefer the 2D one. 3D ones, don't you? So, I'm guessing... Ah, there we go.
Yeah.
We've got all three. Cool. I don't know what they do, but we've got medals, so there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Good world. Do you get the trophy?
No.
Oh, it doesn't unlock it for you either, so... Oh, what a shame. I'm going to have to play this twice. I'm going to play with yours as well, so you get trophies. Because at the moment, it's just me getting trophies. Which... Oh, you've left me behind, so I'll join you.
Alright.
It's alright.
Whoa! Flying hills. Wait,
Yeah, there's medals. Yeah, there's medals in the air. You could probably fly and get that as well. But...
Okay, I'll go get it.
You want to go get it? Or you can go into there. Oh, you're going to get that one up there. There you go. And keep pressing X. Oh, just teach you how to fly as Tails as well. Fly me. There, okay. We've got a medal.
Wait, can I pick you up?
You might be able. Yeah, you can. Yeah. You have to keep tapping X though. Oh! Oh, I think we've got a boss on our hands. Yes, we have. Keep running!
We gotta run.
Yeah. Why? He's gonna get us.
He's gonna eat me first.
Ah! Oh, that's so embarrassing. I was supposed to die. That was awful. Shame on me. But you're on your own, actually. It won't let me respawn. Ah, there you go.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Hey! Yeah, it's not unlocking the trophies for you, so... Are you logged in as you? Or are you a guest? Press the PlayStation button. Oh, okay. Anyway, Act 2. Oh, yeah, no, it's you. Yeah. Okay. You can press circle. There you go. Okay, cool. We're back and it's Act 2, so okay, so I get the hang of this. I am liking this physics a lot. I'm liking the way he controls. It's very much like Mania. So I am. You press.
Oh, wait, you can respawn.
Yeah, you press X to respawn, mate. Oh, but I was giving you. You have to wait, do you? Oh, okay.
It's a timer.
It is. There's a lot. We're flying through these levels, but it feels to me there's a lot of exploration we could do as well. We could look around and stuff. But that's the background there. So, alright, I'll respawn. I'll probably spin dash through that, but okay. Spin dash feels a little slower. Oh no, that's all the rings. But...
Whoa, spin dash into a slide up it. Wait.
But you can roll down hills and stuff, which is good.
Yeah, so...
Oh. It does seem random who the camera follows, so... Like, it's following you at the moment, but it followed me before, so... Which is fine. You just get used to that, really. Ah! And up we go, and oh, and then we... Yeah. So it's like, who's it going to follow? It's following me now. Oh, that's following you. That's following you. Yeah. But still, you know, it's better than Sonic... Oh, I don't know what that blue ring was. It's better...
I'll go get it.
You want to go and get it?
Because I can fly.
You can. So I'll go back this way because it's over here. Ah! I'm trying to. So you press X to respawn anytime you want. It was over there, but...
Wait, should I...
Yeah, we can have a look. Oh. It's not making it easy. Shall we just go forward? Okay.
I'm trying to find a way where we can. Wait, I think I found a way.
Okay. Oh.
I guess we're just gonna have to go forward.
Yeah. But you know, we can play through this level again and stuff. I mean, the cool thing is, it does give us the option of playing the level again. 8. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Oh, I like the figure of 8 as well. Figure of 8 running from Sonic CD.
Yeah.
No, so, oh, it's another boss. Okay. I don't know. Oh, it's an Eggman robot.
It's a robot.
But we've got the avatar thing. I wonder if you've got the avatar thing as well. So we'll try that and stick him on the boss. Because that might help.
Yeah, but yeah, I think we're just gonna destroy him.
Yeah,
Wait,
so use a right stick. Oh, where am I? Over there. So, let's get out of the way because I can see it. Oh, I got him once. So, yeah, unfortunately, because the camera's in the way, it's going to be tricky. Look. Right. So you're just trying to avoid him. I'm hitting him, which is, you know. Go and get him, Tails. Right, okay. Yay! See, you can do it as well. Oh, guess what? We took him down. Without using, yeah, what you do, the right stick, and then you point to that, and it's okay. We'll play it your way. There you go, lots of little Sonics. Some of them die. But it's okay, little Sonics, you're... Oh, there we go.
Oh, it won't let me use it.
No, we've killed him. We haven't killed him, we took him down.
It's probably because I already used it.
Oh, there you go, do you want to do that? Or do you like doing that? Oh, it's like gambling now. It's red, which is a good thing, I guess. Okay, we got through Act 2, so that's the first zone.
Wait, I thought it was 3 acts.
No, well, it depends on the game. Sometimes it's 1 act, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, so... Alright, shall we go to the next zone, or shall we try that act again? What do you want to do? Oh, okay.
X.
You've already picked it.
Oh, we need to follow him.
Yeah.
Probably 1 more act so we get it.
I think that's what we're doing. Oh, so you're loading 3 people watching. Hello! Welcome to the feed. This is the second zone. At the moment, I'm quite impressed with this. It controls very similar to old school Sonic Mania physics, so I am happy. Very happy. I like all the little Easter eggs I've seen so far. So, like Sonic's got a run, that's like from Sonic CD, and this is called Speed Jungle. So I guess we're going fast and it's a jungle. And oh, yeah, there's Tails. So Orion's Tails, I'm Sonic. Oh, there you go. Cool.
You don't know who we are.
You don't know who we are.
If you don't know who we are, then watch our other streams.
Yeah, just watch our other streams. If you don't know who we are by now, feel free to chat, by the way. The PlayStation apparently will read out any chats you say, so don't say any naughty words. Please no. Please don't. But no, yeah, so we should be, but we don't, no one's done that yet, so we don't know what it sounds like, so that'll be interesting. But right, okay, we need to go across like this. This bit's like Stardust Speedway on the CD. Right, we've got avoider rockets, there you go. That's what we do. Whoa, okay. Oh, it looks like the bomb's on your head there, Tails. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, so we're not doing too badly so far. But I like this, there's a lot of little exploration, a lot of little things. I mean, we've gone through 2 acts so far and we've not really discovered what's going on.
Yeah, we don't get the story of it.
But we're doing alright. Oh, I drop dash then. You can drop dash in this, just so you know. How? When you're in the air, you hold down X.
Ow!
Alright, okay.
I didn't hurt myself. It's just because I died.
So there's one person watching, so hello whoever you are, I hope you're enjoying it. Or not, you probably just popped in and go, what on earth is this madness? So Owen's just obviously chilling and let me do the hard bit, I can see. You can respawn. See, I called you out then. Called you out on slacking. Okay, I need to get up there.
I'm trying to fly.
I don't think you can fly that bit. Oh, round. So yeah, I'm liking this a lot, I have to say. I didn't like getting hit by the rockets, but... Oh, howdy! Oh, Dame Argenta! old school friend of mine from America, fellow Final Fantasy VII fan. It didn't read out your. I didn't read out your message then. I don't mind. She did.
You're old American.
Yeah. Well, you're not old. We've been friends a while. Yeah. So fellow Final Fantasy VII fan.
It's probably bad because we said that.
So, oh, we've got a boss. I think we have got a boss.
Leo!
You like bosses, so.
Well, because
So, right, okay.
I'm sorry. I want to explain to you.
Right, okay.
This is not cheating.
I see people watching us do awfully. Alright, old school, Sonic 1. And I failed. So. And I failed again. Oh my goodness, I am such a noob. Thank you for that.
Yeah, we don't even need the bit line.
No, not if you carry me, no. Oh, right, spikes now. Spikes good. You have to avoid these like last boss in Sonic 1. You are dead. And it's not.
I can't respawn.
No.
Uh-oh.
It's not letting me respawn. So I'm on my own, so I'm going to have to rely. I'm going to have to rely on the zip line. Here it comes. No! Didn't see you coming because of the camera. No, and I died! That's so embarrassing. I shouldn't die on a Sonic game. That's shocking. Yeah, you're getting a drink. I'll wait for you. Ready? Oh yeah, with that power, we should be using that as well. I should be using that. Should we use the power against him when he comes?
Can we skip the cutscene?
No, yeah, we can. There you go. We can skip the cutscene. He's after me though. He's after me. Go get him, Tails. There you go. Oh, we can use it then. Okay. Maybe because it's a cutscene. Oh, you can use it now. Oh, you can. Right. Okay, so it's square to use it when you're ready. Alright, so what we're supposed to do is do it so he shoots one of the ground to get stuck in the ground. At least that's what I think he did, because that's what he did last time. Fine. Okay. That's it, Tails. Go again. This is just like old school Sonic 2. Go on, Tails, you get him. You attack him. So
the fight.
I just cheesed the fight then.
No, I think I did.
Did you? Oh, there you go.
Because I could fly. Go team.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Big Chungus Flicky. He's happy. So there you go.
He's very.
He's a happy bird. Okay, ready for the next. Oh, there's a Sonic Act, or there's Act 2. Ooh.
What's the Act 2?
Should I just go Act 2?
Wait, there's a Sonic Act 2.
Sonic or Act 2? Which one should I do? Act 2?
Act 2.
Cool. So in some cases there are 3 acts then, must be. And if you've got the character, so maybe if you like Amy, there's an Act Amy for the first, for the bridge one. Yeah. So here we go. Oh, this is right. Okay, so I've seen this mechanic before.
Is that Tippy from Super Mario?
Super Paper Mario. It could be Tippy from Super Paper Mario.
I don't know if that is the name.
Yeah, no, it is.
It is. Oh, what?
Okay, so yeah, this is our first playthrough of this. So
we don't know anything.
No, we don't know anything. See, there's a bit of Sonic Rush vibes here with the vines. So if you had a DS and played Sonic on there, oh, nice one, Tails. There you go. You're running out of steam though. You're looking for the boost button. There is no boost button. Apart from that.
What is the boost?
Whoa, down we go. Here's Tippy again. I think we need her. Or not. Oh no, we do. Yeah, you go. She's following me, not you. She likes me. There you go. It's all dark. This is very Standoff. No, it's not Standoff-less because it went just all dark in Standoff-less. But so right,
yeah,
no, let's not. Yeah, let's not.
Is like the one of the worst levels.
Really? Oh right, okay.
No,
interesting
is it
take.
to you? Is it to you?
No, not really, because in Sandopolis you have to put the lights on. 'Cause what happens, the ghosts come after you.
Wait, is it the one with the pyramids?
Yes, yes it is.
I don't know if I like that one.
So it's one with ghosts, and the ghosts get bigger and bigger and bigger until it's turn lights on. So you get all split, old school Sonic going fast there. Gotta go fast.
No, Caleb is going fast today. Oh, it's gonna be like me now!
Yeah, oh, there we go, okay.
Wait, do we both have Tippy or...
No, it's, I think, I don't know, Tippy following you, I think, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely following you.
Stay in the light.
That's good advice, in general, for life. Stay in the light! Stay away from the shadow! Right, okay, oh, alright, you have to...
Stay away from shadow.
Oh, shadow, yeah. Stay away from shadow. Stay away from silver. No use! It's no use! See, we're big on the Sonic memes here in this household. Oh! Right, so what you have to do, yeah, it's tricky this bit, so you have to... Yeah, see, the camera didn't know where it was, so you go up that one, and then that side is to that one, because you go up there, and then, but you've got Tippy, so you have to go, yeah, so you have to,
So you...
see Tippy if you follow, there you go, and so if you follow the person who's played Sonic games before, there, and there, and, oh, okay, maybe not, maybe,
Okay.
okay, so up, and then that way. No.
We're going wrong.
This is tricky, okay. Okay, so,
Yeah.
yeah, so
I
it's
was
up.
John Cena for a moment.
You're John Cena, you can't see me? Oh no, right, okay, so that's not the right way. Clearly. So,
No way you did it wrong.
so that's up, and then if you go up again, it's not the right way, so which way do you go, guys? What do we
If
do?
anyone does, type in chat.
Yeah, if anyone who's played this and just think this is cringe, because, yeah, there is a platform going backwards and forwards, so I don't know if you're supposed to go in that one, but I don't think so. Ah, made it! Yay!
That's me.
That is you. I'm waiting to see you. Okay, I'll join you. Okay, the thing is, because this is dark, you don't know where you're
Mr.
going.
Sonic. Hey, Sonic guy who has played it for many years.
Yeah.
Do you really think you're good at this game?
Well, I don't know, I've just started playing this game. The thing is, it's following you at the moment. See, this is...
Tippy likes me.
Tippy likes you.
She doesn't like
She likes the fox. I know.
What does the fox say? If anyone thinks...
So what? Yip.
Oh, hello both.
Cool, hello both. Oh, hello!
Hello.
I think it's Lily. Hello, Lily. Is this the first time you've ever played? Not played. First time you've watched like a stream like this? You're probably really confused about what's happening, but don't worry. So are we, and we're controlling it. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of movement.
If anyone doesn't know, I just wanted to eat myself.
That's a good thing that we didn't like end up dead or anything.
Wait.
Oh, I think we've got a boss coming. So there we go.
Nah. It's the Calamity Ball.
The Calamity Ball. That's his name. That's what his name should be. Right into our lives come the Calamity Ball. That just, yeah. Often get that. That often happens, yeah. You think everything's going well, and then the Calamity Ball comes and flattens you with...
Wait.
Alright, do you think, yeah. Oh no. I was supposed to get hit himself, like the Incredibles. Remember? He's the Underminer. That's what he is.
Yeah.
Not the Underminer, but, oh, what's it called?
Syndrome?
No, not Syndrome. What the name is the bots that he has? What are they called, the bots?
I don't know.
The Syndrome's bots, anyway. Because he hurts himself as part of Mr. Incredible. See, why is it after me? See?
He doesn't... I guess he likes me more.
I know, he's like... The Calamity Ball is just trying to ruin my life. And you're dead, so I'm on my own. Oh dear.
Rip, sorry.
It's alright. Rip.
Have fun.
Right, somehow I need to get him to hit himself, which is...
You wanna know what you could probably... You just jump on his thing.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's what you do. So 2 people watching. Hello to the one. Hello, my beautiful watchers, as a YouTuber says, and I've ripped that off from him. So this is me playing. I'm on my own at the moment. Owen's dead. Playing Sonic Superstars for the first time. So if I die, that's fine. But Owen's called that bad guy. Oh, the Calamity Ball, which is. Yeah, we've all faced the Calamity Ball in our lives, throwing rockets at us, making us lose our rings. I can't even see what I'm doing because I'm in the way, which, you know, it's very metaphorical. Is he going to do another rocket in my way? He is. Ah! Well, that was aimed rubbishly.
Are you going to admit you're bad at Sonic games?
I'm going to admit I'm bad at Sonic games. Never! Never!
Been featured in live videos.
This is 4 times I've been featured in live videos. Oh, awesome. Cool, Toasty. Toasty! I don't know if you heard that before. You've probably heard that joke then. 3 times, I think. Somebody's called you Toasty! Because I don't know what your online handles are, so I have. There you go. Yeah, so you have.
The only one watching.
Yeah. Yeah, because I don't know what your online handles are. You can have names in real life, and you do, because everybody does. That's a really weird thing for me to say. Then you'll have to message me afterwards and go, oh, it was me. I was Toasty. And I'll say I was cold because I'm wearing a hoodie. Okay. I've not done very good stuff. Come on. I've sussed this.
This
not
Calamity Ball doesn't look like it.
This Calamity Ball is, you know, there we go.
Oh.
Oh, I got very disappointed. Oh.
I guess
Oh, he won.
won.
Oh, he won. Oh, how disappointing. I hoped he'd die. Right, let me do this one. You do the last one. What happens if you do the blue ones? That get fruit or something? There you go. Saved all the animals. So nothing too bad so far. Now the stream's only an hour long. If we finish it in the stream, then that's obviously not a sign of a. It's a sign of a good Sonic game because I can finish Sonic 1 in about an hour. But ready for the next zone. There we go.
I guess we're going to be going. Oh, it's Trip.
Yeah, it's Trip. Yeah. Trip is called Trip because they trip over, and that's not. But that's true. That is true. That sounds ridiculous, but that is why they called her Trip because she trips over all the time. That's the honest truth. Google it, honestly. Sky Temple Zone, Act 1. Ooh.
Are we going to be helicopters?
We might be.
Wait, I'm already one.
You are.
Hi.
Hi, Bryson. Yeah, well, your tails, you got a butt copter. Copter of your butt. So there we go. It's.
Oh, what? That's the main tail of me.
I'm just. Okay, that's a weird glitch. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. What? I wasn't spawning on the ground. You were flying, so I was spawning next to you.
I know you're holding you like in a spin dash.
Yeah. Oh, there's Knuckles.
He's flying through the sky.
He is. Oh, do you want to bonus stage? All right. So we've got 1 Chaos Emerald. Can we get another one? Did we get the deluxe pack? Yes, I did. Right, of course. Oh, yeah, you got X, mate. X is just X. There you go. And it's your go. Oh, go on. X, nearly. I forgot it was me then. So I should be okay with this because I played Spider-Man. And it's very similar to Spider-Man, the swinging mechanics. Oh, go on. You get close. I just realised there's a time limit as well, so...
Yeah, same. So we can't spend all we want on it.
No. Oh. It's go to the right a lot. That's it, we want to go that way.
This thing's so fast.
Go on! Oh, yay!
If you didn't launch, we would have been...
Did you know you can play online co-opus?
Yes, I've heard you can play online. Is it battle mode? 'Cause I don't know if you can play co-op online. But you can play the battle mode online, which we've not tried yet. So, bullet. Okay, so we've got a new power. So what's the new power? Dash through the air. Okay, cool. So there you go. And then... Oh, cool.
Fire!
Fire! Okay, that's cool. So you can... How much did this cost? Well, this ain't cheap for a Sonic. Well, I said it ain't cheap for a Sonic game, right? So when I bought Sonic 1 was bought back in the day, it's £45. This... Oh, Arkanoid, that's cool. So this is 50? It's £50, I think, for the deluxe. So, which is expensive. Sorry? No, 60. No, it wasn't £60. It's 50, I think. Like Spider-Man was 70. So it is quite expensive for a 2D game, but Mario Wonder, for instance, is about 60. So it's about, yeah.
Which games are 60?
Not all of them.
I'm from the United States of America.
Okay. Oh, you're saying $60, is that right? Okay.
I don't know what I said that, but...
I mean, you've not done a YouTube of it, have you? Yeah, have you? So smash that like button. Hit subscribe.
It's like it's Sonic 2 HD.
It is like Sonic 2 HD. I've played Sonic 2 HD and it is awesome. And it would be cool if it had a full... See, I can't join you there. So... Oh, I love this bit. This is like our Breakout. It's cool. So cool. Yeah, or Arkanoid. So which is one of my dad's favourite games, Arkanoid, back in the day.
He's not really alive.
No, he passed away.
But Harry never said that.
he passed away, my dad. But no, he...
only a few years ago.
Well, yeah, 18 months ago. But yeah, he used to love Arkanoid. Oh, what's this? What's this?
It's that. It's
See, this is our first playthrough as well, so... But yeah, the graphics are very much like Sonic 2 HD. It's sort of, what? I have made a mistake!
I have made a...
Yeah. Oh, bonus stage? There's some more medals. We don't know what medals get yet. Oh no! Ooh.
We're
getting rings.
Are we now forward?
No, we're flying, so flying with style.
Have you played Sonic Frontiers?
I have. I've put Platinum Sonic Frontiers, yes.
It's still alive.
Yeah, although Update 3 is really hard. If you check like and subscribe, if you check what we've uploaded, oh, we both died then, because we're not paying attention.
No.
If you check what we've uploaded before, we actually uploaded our live reaction to Update 3 for Sonic Frontiers. But yeah, we're both Platinum Frontiers and Origins. Okay, so I guess it's this way. Is it this way? Yeah. We're gonna run out of momentum.
Bullet! I'm sorry, I'm gonna become... Ow.
Oh.
Ew.
Ooh. Ooh. Someone's been playing Roblox too often. Oof, right, okay, so... Been shot at, so a few days in length. Okay, so... Yeah, so 4 people are watching. Hello to the 4 people that are watching. Feel free to chat away and introduce yourself and say hello. We'll give you a shout out. So this is our first reaction. Oh, yeah, I don't know what these are. You've passed one of these before. There's another bonus stage. Oh, it's the medal one this time. Okay.
It's time to dance.
Okay.
Oh, it's like this, isn't it?
It is. It's like the medal one, isn't it? Like the emerald one. Oh.
I'm always the one to get the emerald.
You have been so far. Is it going to be my turn this time?
Hello from Melodon. Face green.
Hello from Melodon. Yes, hello. So,
She was named
welcome. I hope you've managed to avoid the flooding over there because it's quite harsh.
Yeah,
So-
it's been terrible floods here.
Yeah, see, Bryson agrees with me. See, Bryson, she's called Trips Over. You thought I was making that up. You thought I was taking... There you go, I got the medal then.
Okay.
See, you thought I was making that up, and I was being silly, but it's true. She's called Trip. The character's called Trip because she calls Trips Over.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So...
I'm going to do some acting.
There's no accent. You're now Trip. You got caught in it last night. Oh, no! I hope you've managed that your house has avoided it, though, because it's quite bad, the flooding.
Yeah.
It's just the roads round here, so we're staying in the warm and dry for now.
Yeah. I'm definitely not melting alive.
You're definitely not melting alive. That's good to know. Right.
Whoa, this guy is weird.
So again, it's falling apart. Ah no, that's not good starts. No.
Bom
Bodo.
bom.
So yeah. So this is our first playthrough. This is why we're so bad. That's my excuse. And I've been playing these games for 30 years, so I should not be this bad. How's the game so far? Would you recommend it? You know what, Banana Man? I would recommend it. It's if you're an old school Sonic fan, what I like about this is that they've captured the physics, and that sounds really nerdy thing to say. Oh, that sounds like a really weird nerdy thing to say, but if you're an old school fan, you'll get it. Oh, we've got a boss coming.
Oh, egg.
It is. So it's a lot of fun. It's we're breezing through it as well because we've both platinumed a lot of Sonic games. I say that now. I'm gonna die now. I said that.
Well, we've only. Yeah. This is like.
Oh.
So yeah.
The only thing I have to say that isn't so memorable, if I'm absolutely honest, is the music. The music's because
That's good.
yeah, we're talking over it, but there's no like. Oh, nice one, Tails. Go for it. It's just you, by the way.
Your bottom.
Well, I'll say it, so you're gonna have to do. Use your butt copter. Do you think the KS Emeralds are cool? I do, but we haven't used the powers much yet.
No, not really.
But yeah.
Going...
Oh, yeah, try and avoid that, he says, saying the obvious. Oh, you can get some rings? Yeah, you need rings.
I only need two.
Did you fly?
Yeah, I can fly and tail.
Oh, of course you fly, sorry. Of course I can fly. Silly question. Oh, you got it.
I have a bird copter.
You have a bird copter. He says that in the film, by the way. We're not just being rude. He's a... Oh no! I think you won, but you died at the same time.
Oh.
Gutted. Yeah, he says that in the film Sonic 2. He goes, "The capture." Yeah. So I likes very much. So.
Do I?
Well, you found it funny.
Yeah.
yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Whoa. Try and avoid those. That would help.
Falling. And I'm gonna be falling forever.
You often say things like sort of really deep. I have to say, it's like you're falling forever. It's the what was that boss? What did you call it? Was it like the despair thing? No.
No.
The calamity. That's it. Who's Sonic? I'm Sonic.
And I'm Tails.
And together we are Wild Stallions. No.
We're not Wild Stallions.
We're not Wild Stallions. Alright, okay.
But you're a Wild Italian.
I'm a Wild Italian.
Well,
That's Mario. He's a Wild Italian. See, yeah, Chronic Drag got the reference. I'm sure you did, didn't you, Chronic Drag? You know what I was on about.
Everyone knows. If you don't like Sonic and you're watching this video, what are you doing?
They're doing it because they like us, clearly. We are the unbreakable bond. Well, maybe. We're related. Oh no, I was just killed. You're down to your last ring. Good luck. You get some more rings.
I'm One Punch Man.
Yeah, okay. You're One Punch Man. Get him! Get him! Oh! Okay, he's... Okay.
It's okay, I can fly.
Can you get... Oh, yeah. Okay, that helps. No. And you're probably supposed to get him from above, but I don't know how Tails can. This thing.
Wait.
Yeah, you died.
I think you're supposed to hit him from the front.
Yeah.
Feel my butt copter.
Your butt copter. You had a malfunctioning butt. It was...
Feel
Okay.
joy.
Yes. Oh, someone's trying to join us online. Maybe trying to join us online. I don't know if...
I'm a chicken.
If you can, feel free. Join us if you want. You probably will do a better job than us.
Yeah, we've died on this like 3 times. I think
this is our first time playing it. That's my excuse anyway.
Yeah, well.
So we don't know what to do in life. Oh, there you go.
I'm the pro of this ball.
You are really, yeah. Did you know that? Towel.
Toll?
What
Toll? What toll, Bryson?
I don't know.
I don't care, I just care about getting to the top so I don't die. And you make it harder for them, you fuck the enemies on it.
Feel the wrath of my butts. There you go. That's what you need to say. Definitely. Feel the wrath of my butt. Oh, you've got no rings, so this is... you need to pick up some... Yeah. You need to pick up some more rings, otherwise he'll have your butts. Oh. Otherwise, the butt's Robotnik. Robotnik. There you go. He got you. Was I putting you off then by saying silly things? Naughty uncle, how dare I? Oh, we can skip the cutscene. We've seen the cutscene. We've seen the intro.
I'm gonna skip. Oh! I'm doing skips.
Did I know it? Do I know it? That Tails' name was Miles. Miles per hour. Yes, I do. Of course, I do. The main problem with the music of the game is they use. Yeah, I don't mind the Genesis sound font because Genesis. Yeah, the Mega Drive. Yeah. So we got Mega Drive in our land. But yeah, so I don't mind that it uses that sound font. It does give it a Sonic 4 vibe, and I don't like Sonic 4.
Because the graphics suck.
No, the graphics aren't too bad. It's
the controls.
The controls are rubbish.
Ah.
Yeah. Problem is you're behind us. That's what it is. You can't see that corner because we're in the way.
Move
us. I'm not. I would if I could, but because I'm controlling it, as well.
This camera part is my only weakness.
Is that your weakness? Our weakness is ourselves. That's quite deep. There you go. We're defeating ourselves by being vain, by seeing ourselves. So.
I'm taking the reins with my butt. We're making some really bad phrases.
Taking the reins of your butt cop. I wish I was able to help you. Controls feel like... No, controls feel like Sonic Mania, so that the controls are amazing. They've reproduced the retro engine, so much better than Sonic Forces, better than Generations even in my eyes. Or did you mean? Or in my eyes? Or did you mean Sonic 4? Sonic 4 the worst. So, hi Void, this is cool.
This is probably one of the best games I've actually played.
Oh wow, that's praise indeed.
Because this game has got lit music.
Oh.
And
so you're on your own again.
Again?
Yeah, hi Void, I'm Sonic and I've just died again. So
again?
So he's Tails and he's been really good.
I'm the goat at this level.
But you got no rings, so...
Yeah, I know, so I am...
We've got to this point before, so... Once my dad gets home from work trip, I'm going to ask him if I can... I'm guessing have it. Yeah. It might be in... There might be a Christmas sale or something, though, so, you know.
That camera, because we actually have a camera.
Well, no, they see what we see. So yeah, you see, you're in that corner. We can't see what we're doing in that corner either. So
I might get it on my Nintendo.
I might get it on my Nintendo. Yeah, it is out. Yeah, it came out on last week. No, Friday. No, it didn't come out Friday. It came out before Mario Wonder. So.
Oh, tell you what,
yeah. So it came out last week. So it is out on Switch. Apparently it's not that good on Switch in that technical wise. Its frame rate isn't too good. So yeah.
Oh, I'm going solo.
Again, yeah, going solo with your budcopter. Okay.
Stop it now. Stop it.
You need to focus.
Yes, I do.
We've been at this boss for 5 minutes now, so we need to focus. Okay. You need to try and avoid the swords. There you go. Yeah, keep to that side, I think it's best. Did it just kill you? PS5.
No.
Get a ring! Oh no, you got a ring. I say, rings are good. Rings as Ebenezer good. There you go.
At least one ring's okay.
Oh yeah, try and get that one then. Ah! Oh dear. Okay, try and avoid. Oh no, unlucky. That was so close.
Platform, I could have.
So you have taste, Void. Yeah, Sonic is my favourite character as well. So I got my Sonic t-shirt on. So yeah, Sonic's my favourite character.
Well, you don't die this time.
I'll try not to. On the Switch of portability, yeah. I get the logic of that. I'm dead. No.
I'm spinning. You spin me round and It's a good song.
It is a good song. Right, Sonic. No, I need rings. See, you know why? You steal all the rings. That's why I'm dead. That's why I'm dead. You stole all the rings. I had no rings.
But then I always lose them and go down to 1.
It's okay. Keep hold of that one. We're not on PS4. We're on PS5.
Yeah, we're the advanced people.
You arrogant person. We're the advanced people who've been beaten by this boss. So we're not that advanced.
Ow.
Sonic Advance. Get the ring. Get it. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Get the ring. There it is. There you go. Oh no. It's no use.
And you.
That's it. You got no rings though, so be careful. And he's like, that's obviously, or it's this sword thing.
My butt copter is really good.
Your butt copter. Oh, you like PS4 and Switch? Yeah, we have those, but
Yeah, both.
Yeah.
But we only play.
That's it.
Do you think I'm gonna make?
Get some rings if you can.
Okay.
Hopefully.
I'll try and get some rings.
There, yeah, over there. Here we go. 8 people watching this epic battle between. Now, yeah, this is part. Now, try and get him with a spin dash, mate. Don't get him with your tail. So what you do, you wait until he targets where you're standing on. Get out of the way. Wait till he dives. No. By spin dash, I meant jumping on him. Never mind. Anyways.
I'm blaming Balwin on you.
Okay.
You told me to spin dash.
Okay. Press circle. And again. Okay, you ready? With your buttcopter. What would I prefer? Sonic 1, Sonic 2, Sonic 3 Knuckles. For me, Sonic 3 Knuckles is my favourite, but Sonic Mania is my goat. He prefers 3D Sonic games, so it'd be like Forces is your favourite, isn't it? Or would you say Frontiers is your favourite? Frontiers.
But maybe this might change to be my new favourite.
Oh wow, okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's magic.
I think Void's literally like your
Yeah.
an identical.
Void is me, yeah, because he likes the same stuff as me now.
Sonic 3 and Knuckles the both fire.
Sonic and Knuckles, yeah. There's a strong argument for that. I've got no. No, stop picking me up. I've got no.
It's not your fault.
Sonic Colors. See, Sonic Colors is okay. I didn't have it on the Wii. I didn't play it until the Ultimate Edition. It's all right. It's sort of in the middle. 3D wise, for me, it's Frontiers is up there. Sonic Adventure 2 is the GOAT, and I'd say Sonic Colors is up there, maybe third. Let's see.
Yeah, on final.
I need ring. I need a ring.
I gave you one ring.
And then I lost it. Oh dear. Yeah, I died. You're on your own.
I don't care.
Right, so this, that's it. Be careful, he says, in the obvious.
Is there something wrong with me?
No, there's nothing wrong with you. If you do ship Sonic and Shadow, why not? Live and let live, mate. You know what I mean? It's better than Sonic and that princess from 06.
Yeah.
And he clearly doesn't like Amy, does he? He's always telling Amy to go away. So you know.
Wait, really?
Why not? He is, yeah, really.
Wait, I have 10
Paul.
rings.
Don't tempt it. Right now, what you need to do is wait until he lands and jump on him. Jump on him. Jump on him. On. No. Okay, now fly. Fly. Fly, you are pretty. And so when you dive down, or if you jump on it, that's it. There you go.
I have to use my.
Maybe we could do a tier list. We could do a tier list vid at some points.
Yeah, we could of like maybe
Sonic games and stuff. Yeah. Oh, unlucky, mate. Unlucky.
Ah, so close.
This
This is probably one of the hardest boss fights.
This is a tricky boss fight. It is.
Is this game hard?
Do you know? I think what it is. I think we're tripping each other up. If I'm honest, I think if you were on your own or I was on my own, we'd be okay.
Yeah.
But I think because we're together, because you keep picking me up. And
No, you keep on trying to jump into me.
Yeah. So
that's your problem.
So I
keep trying to fly around so I can.
I'm just after rings now. Do you know what I mean? I only got one ring, so I'm just trying to get to the rings. But I think because you're trying to get the rings as well.
Well, I missed the survival.
Mr. Survival. You used to want to marry Sonic. Hey, well, why not? You know. You know what? When I was little, when I first started playing Sonic, Sonic was my friend. I thought he was my friend too. So yeah, I didn't want to marry Sonic.
I really need rings. I'm like thirsty for one.
No, I didn't want to marry Sonic. Rouge was another matter entirely, but there you go. Ask your parents. Rouge. Yeah. So
right,
Rouge is cool.
Oh, I tried to
Okay.
give you one ring.
Oh yeah. Why we could be using those things. So,
This is probably why we keep on dying.
yeah.
We don't use these.
I love Sonic as a gaming character. Us too, man. You know,
Yeah,
Sonic's cool.
very good game.
So right,
Just,
so
you look stupid daily.
Void, yeah.
No, you.
Oh, me?
You.
I do,
Your
yeah, because I've got the
character,
power.
You have
There you
the
go.
power.
Get him.
Wait.
Oh,
Ow, ow, ow.
yeah.
I tried.
It's okay.
Oh, he wants you because
He
you're.
loves me. No, oh no.
He doesn't
Right, I've got no
want
rings.
you.
Okay, so let's be careful. He says. I died. Oh right, I see. So some more characters, the more hit points he has. So yeah. So do you see what I did though? So what you have to do, I'm subbing because I like this channel. Oh, thanks, Void. That's cool. Well, we've got a live stream coming up next week, next Saturday, but we're doing Among Us then.
Yeah,
So
well,
for
wait.
Halloween.
Yeah, because it's spooky.
Spooky.
Season.
Spooky season. Right. Okay. What you do? You stay still, and then you jump on him. Yes. Yes. Oh! Finally, after 7 minutes.
Can I join?
Can I join? I guess you could, Bryson. The thing is, what we're looking at. Oh, we're almost looking at time up. But, whew, that was intense. He hit the dab. He hits the dab all the time. At the end of each zone, he dabs. So when this goes on my YouTube channel, when it gets uploaded, you watch it back. He dabs for everything. He just, I don't dab because it's cringe. I'm over 40 years old. I know, ancient old person, right? So I don't dab because that just look weird. So yeah, so next week is Among Us.
Yeah, if you watch this far, good on you.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I thought you were going to do the YouTuber thing, so smash that like button. Subscribe.
I'm posting.
That's it. Smash that like button. Subscribe. You know what to do. Follow our Patreon. We don't have a Patreon. But follow that. If we did, would you give us any money? So
Underrated. It's actually really good.
it is really good, Void. Yeah. So I'm ancient, and I still like playing it. And he likes playing it as well. Usually what happens, he plays it on the Switch, and I play it on the PS5, and he cheats because he knows that I'm an imposter. So what he does, he throws me under the bus, and he goes, he looks really sus. I saw him vent. Yeah. So he does. He does. The cool thing as well is the Among Us stream is going to be a bit longer, a bit later than this one, a bit later on in the day, and it's going to be a bit longer because at the moment we've got permission. So Red is sus. Red is always sus. But we've got because we have to have sort of special permission from his parents to stream. We have a little longer. On the next stream. So thank you for the 6 people for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, you're going to finish the zone. You've not finished the zone yet.
I need to finish it.
You need to finish the zone. Can you imagine if the power goes out now? We have to do that boss again. You'd be like, no.
I would be so.
There you go. So you're going to finish the zone. We haven't. No, I haven't played any mods from Among Us because I have only got it on PS5 and Switch.
Yeah.
Well, no, I do have it on Steam, but I don't play on Steam. So there we go. They did the dab. They did the dab. Try saying did the dab 5 times fast. Try saying that this 5 times did the dab. You can't do it. So there we go. So we're going to have to go soon, guys.
Well.
But thank you for joining us. It's been an awesome stream. I hope you've had a good time. I know it's been short, but it usually is. And join us. See, Sonic got through Act 1. Yay. If you do like mods, you like Sonic Mania, Sonic Mania Repainted is quite funny. We've seen videos of that and stuff.
What?
So, Bounce Pad!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And
that's
Mario
it.
got
Chill over the weekend.
Yeah, it has some bad words in it, yeah. Yeah, have a chill over the weekend as well. I'll see you Thursday, Chronic Drike, hopefully. So
I think I think it's next weekend. We're gonna be streaming again.
Yep.
I have a really good day beaming face with
We will. You too, Boyd. Yeah, I'm glad you've enjoyed the stream. It's going to be later on. It's about 6 p.m. GMT.
And it's going to probably be like over about 2 hours.
Well, maybe, but we'll see. It's going to be longer than an hour anyway. But we hope
maybe an hour and a half.
Yeah. Well, we hope you had a good time. We have. It's been really cool.
This is a really good game.
Yeah, exactly. I very highly recommend it. I before the stream. At the start, before we started playing, I said I had my doubts. I was worried about it not feeling like the old Sonics, but this does feel like an old Sonic game. I'll think I'll be trying to platinum this one. Don't know what he's doing. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, take care.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too.